Here we are again. This is an actual chair sash. This is not a runner, so it's a lot narrower. I'm just finding the middle again. Here we are with the middle. And most common, this is how the Chiavari ones get the chair sash put on. So we use these spindles. You can either use this one to go behind. You go behind and you go behind. Same direction. Keep it nice and tight. There you have a nice perfect bow. It hangs down quite nice. You can add your brooch or your pin here. If you're not fussy for the bow, this is an opportunity where you can also push one through to the other, or you cannot get a nice bow. This is an alternative. You swap the little bow portions and you create almost like a little rosebud there. It's not quite a rosebud, but it's a quick fix for in a pinch if you're not really fussy for the bows. Pretty simple, easy to do.